We're back where we just left off. I had to make some more room for my phone to record this, but let's go ahead and move to the next thing. So after this, we can accumulate a chest. Let's use might on Ray. Let's save. Well, yeah, let's save our mana. Taunt, of course. Let's see what this flame sword does. Attack. Okay. Now, our mages are the only ones who actually can attack these flying guys, so I want to make sure they stay alive. Let's use our electric wave. Oh my god, how did that happen? Who took him out of taunt? Oh, that sucks. I probably need to start paying attention to these cards. Shoot. Well, she's the only one who can freaking take these guys out now. Man, that sucks. Probably should use might on myself. And take out this freaking dude. Yeah, this is like... It sucks that somebody one-hit that. Alright. Dude. Oh, man. I don't know how I'm gonna pull this one off. She was like my strongest character. Okay, double slash. It's the only option I have right now. And a turn. Finally, we got one out. That's okay. I think we're gonna pull this off, guys. What? There's no cards left in my deck. So what? When you run out, you're just done? So what? I can't win now? Oh, that's horrible. Okay. Thank God. Wow. That was crazy. Okay. Man. Let's do fire tornado. So do we get anything new? I know we need to use this health potion. Probably not. him for sure. One. Man. Alright, let's see if we can pull this off. There are ads. You have to pay like $3, but they're not long. Yeah, pay $3 if you want to have no ads. Let's open the chest. Man, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 battles after this. And there's a boss. Increase magic resistance. Please select a tear stone to convert. Okay, what does that do now? Man, we actually got nothing good. Drops coins when killing an enemy. That's pretty sweet. So what does she have right now? Alright, that's all we can do. So let's go to the next one. In my turn because she has like a fire tornado move. Oh my god! Why wouldn't y'all let me? Oh, that is so messed up. That is fricked up, dude. Oh my gosh, she was my strongest character. Oh, that sucks so bad. Like I said, everyone, this game is hard. Like, I'm telling you, man. I haven't even got past this stage yet. So freaking messed up. Okay. Unbelievable. Yeah, this is... We're gonna lose. I'm gonna save and quit. I've been wondering if this would work. And if you actually go back, would it... Will it start you back from, like, you know, where she didn't fall like that? Nope, it puts you right back, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's try one more thing. What if I don't do anything? So if I would have saved and quit before I started this battle, if I would have saved and quit and just did that, would it put me back where I was? Because if it does, then we got a little cheat. It does. It does, guys. Well, that's interesting to know. So if you mess up, just save before you even start the battle. And then do exactly what I did. Just do this. If you messed up like how I just did right here, boom. And then it'll start you right back from where you saved it. I'm assuming, I mean, don't quote me on that, but it looks like that's what it will do. All right. Thank you all for subscribing and watching this. Let me know if you like it. Leave a comment. And I hope you all have a great day. Peace.